January 4th, 2012, an online message appeared. Hello, we are looking for highly intelligent individuals. Thus began Cicada 3301, the internet's most profound, unsolved mystery.
The challenge? Impossibly complex puzzles spanning cryptography, steganography, ancient literature, and philosophy. Clues appeared in physical locations across the globe, from Poland to Hawaii.
No one knew who was behind it. Was it a shadowy government agency recruiting elite cryptologists? A secret society seeking the world's sharpest minds? Or perhaps something far more sinister?
Only a few claim to solve the sequence, invited to a secretive online community. But after 3 intense years, Cicada 3301 simply vanished. Its purpose and its recruit's true fate remain debated. This digital mystery continues.
What do you think Cicada 3301 was truly searching for? Like and subscribe for more dark theories.